What's going on, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. More tech, more reviews, and right here in front of us today we have the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Mag, that teardown version that's been floating around the internet. So today we want to get it unboxed, put it on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and let's see what it looks like and how it works. All right, so here we go. I don't usually do a whole lot of Spigen case reviews. I may have to because I kind of like this one. So straight out of the box, this is what you get. Put all that to the side, and we got some more paperwork up under here, and voila, there we go. So it is an adhesive on the outside as well as on the inside. And then if you notice on the inside, you do get the MagSafe ring. There's no microfiber or anything in here. This is all hard plastic backing. Edges a little flexible here, but it's hard and rigid in this middle section. And that's actually really where it counts. You want the edges to be a little thick, which that's thick enough. And then you do have the teardown version of this case. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slap it on this iPhone 13. Now this is iPhone 13 Pro Max. This does not come for the 14 Pro Max as of right now. Hopefully Spigen will make this for the 14 Pro Max because I really like the way this looks. So you can see the ring back there. You got the A16, you got all the processors, all that good stuff. For the person who likes this look, this is gonna be nice. And I actually like it with the contrast on the blue on this iPhone. First thing we wanna do is make sure that we got good protection around that camera, which I like. We got protection. It's a very, very slight lip all the way around. But if you drop it, it bounces, so it's all case all the time. We like that. Down bottom, everything matches up, no issues there. Now this will not fit your 14 case just because of how the home button matches up. Everything over here looks good. Buttons nice and clicky. Nice and tactile, no issues there. And rubberized corners, edges look really good. Now let's test out the MagSafe capability. Now to do that, we do have a magnetic charger from Spigen. Pop that on. There we go. It is charging, no issues. Magnet really strong, nice and sturdy. I like that a lot. Okay. Now we got an official MagSafe Apple charger right here. Good thing about these is you can basically just plug them up and have that work. So let's try it out. We'll turn that off and let's see if we get the ring and the ding and all that good stuff. There we go. MagSafe approved. No issues. I didn't have any worries, but we just have to try it out just to make sure everything is on par. So the Spigen battery pack is not MagSafe, just magnetic, but this is an actual MagSafe Apple charger. Works. You get the ring, you get the ding, it's good to go. So go by and check this out. I'm gonna drop a link below, and hopefully Spigen will make more of these for more of their cases. I really like the feature of this on the back, the teardown functionality, and it looks good. I mean, and like I said, I like it with the contrast on that blue iPhone. So go by and check it out. I think I paid like 16, 17 bucks for this case, which is not a whole lot, and it's gonna give you a decent amount of protection as well. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out, and until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace. Yeah.